How to add messaging shortcut to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after you click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So if you want to add messaging shortcut, so just click on this volume icon. So after you click on volume icon, click on no app and click on this plus icon. So after you click on this plus icon, you will see search messages app from here. So you will see messages app is here, so click on message app. Now here, so you will see messages shortcut is add on lock screen. So after the process, click on done. So after click on done, you will see lock screen message shortcut is done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add messaging shortcut to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.